Welcome to StarLift. We have new and used Stairlifts available. Basically any make and model. What most people are doing now is they will send us a picture of their staircase so we can visualize it, kind of tell them the best equipment available for them. So you can either text a picture of your staircase in or give us a call here today. We're always available by phone. Here's a couple of the different Stairlifts we have available. This is a Handicare. The Bruno series, this is the 3050 brand new Bruno, the 2010 heavy duty 400-pound Bruno, and the 3000. These are all made locally in Wisconsin. We have the Acorn 130, which is probably about the most popular Stairlift out there, and the brand new Handicare 1100 friction drive, which is as quiet as a mouse Stairlift. Now we also offer platform lifts to get up into your house from a garage or from a deck. These are completely safe. They run up, they have a door at the top. They'll let you on very safely. They're considered elevators in the state of Minnesota. So we have those available. We also have wheelchair ramps. Be able to get into your house that way with platforms and staircases coming off of them. We have lift chairs that you can recline, and they lift to make it easy to get out when you've been sitting in the chair watching a movie and you may be a little stiff. Something like this will get you right out and get you going. They also recline into a bed, so they lay completely flat, so you can take a nap if you'd like. And they do have heat and massage options as well. We also offer power scooters, like the Jazzy you see here. So you can come in and check those out here today. We can let you in a demo some of the used ones that we have here as well, and we go from there. Welcome to our new location on 7th Street in North St. Paul. Come check us out. We have mobility chairs, we have platform lifts, stair lifts. We have a wide range of mobility products if you are in the market. Thank you.